Nandini Agrawal from Dhule, Maharashtra. Previously, I studied fashion designing and then I switched to becoming a professional makeup artist from SMA Academy. So I wanted to learn makeup from a long time because it has really been my heart, or you can say I'm passionate about it. So I googled a lot, I searched on Instagram, Facebook, and I came to a lot of academies, but SMA was the one that really stood out for me because of all the pictures, knowledge, and everything that I read about. It shows the master program. It includes 4 subjects. One is beauty, bridal, fashion, and fantasy. Teaching method was absolutely, I can say, beyond on point because the teachers were friendly yet strict at the time so that we can know how to work outside the industry. And they had a lot of knowledge and personal experience to share with us. So it was beyond amazing. Teachers concentrate on each and every student 100%. Each and every questions are answered. There is no such thing like you ask too many questions or you have too many doubts. And they guide you through the journey very well so that you can increase your confidence really and you can bring down your nervousness. I just completed my master program from the SMA Academy and I'm looking forward to opportunities because I have a lot of bookings and I even did a fashion show recently as a makeup artist. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. This has helped me to really shape out myself and my career because earlier I was low on confidence on myself and my skills. So when I came here, it felt like I'm new and I don't know much. So when I came to SMA, it really gave me that confidence. It brought down my nervousness. And apart from that, it helped me to gain a lot of courage and improve a lot and learn all about makeup so that I can enter into the makeup world without any nervousness and confidence. I'm thankful a lot because SMA really helps you from top to bottom, like from your career, from your personal self, from how you behave professionally and personally also. And they notice each and every effort. Because of that, I was able to receive the all-rounder performance award, which I did not expected, but they noticed each and every effort. And I have a lot of confidence that I can achieve anything. I don't have nervousness or underconfidence right now. I think SMA is the best academy to choose for because everything is on point. Be it the products, be it knowledge, be it instructors, be it the instructors, be it friends, be it the professional vibe of here, and also friendly, like the teachings and experience of the teachers. So I would suggest 200% go for it. You should not even think 1% whether it is good or not. It's absolutely beyond my expectations. Thank you.